Today we are going to make Dhaba Style Mutton Curry. Okay, so I have taken 1 kilo mutton, preferably Ran and Sina, and some spices. So starting with turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, some whole spices, some garlic pods. In whole spices we have dalchini, that's cinnamon, and some cloves long, and some elaichi, cardamom, and some dry red chilies whole, and some bay leaves and nutmeg, some pinch of it, and then salt, of course salt, and also garam masala. So also we'll have some ginger garlic paste, onions, sliced onions, and curd, and some mustard oil, and a homemade pudina chutney, and some coriander leaves. Okay, so let's start with the marination. First we are adding curd, then cumin powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, and then we are adding some garam masala powder, now let's mix it very well. Now we are starting with the recipe. First of all, heat the oil, mustard oil, and little bit ghee also you can add for the flavor and aroma. And in the oil we are adding bay leaves and whole spices. Okay, now add little ginger garlic paste and stir it well. The onions and fry it till it becomes little golden in color. Make sure all the spices are nicely fried. Now as the onion is cooked little light brown, now we are adding the mutton, marinated mutton. Fry all the ingredients on high heat at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now we are adding 2 tomatoes. Earlier I forgot to mention it, so we need 2 tomatoes sliced, and now keep stirring it. Now as you can see, the mutton has changed its color, light brown color. So now we are adding coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of homemade pudina chutney. Three cups of water. Put the lid on and cook it under pressure up to 6 to 8 whistles. This is the 8th whistle. Now let's see how it has been cooked. So friends, this is how it looks. It has cooked very well, you can see. And now let's dish out. Friends, Dhaba style mutton curry is done, and now you can serve it with steamed rice, roti or chapati, anything to go with it. So enjoy it.